Next, miscellaneous examples. Because in this chapter trigonometry, so most of the time they are asking from this miscellaneous example and exercise also. So this from this chapter we have to solve those example and exercise. Now example number 25. If sin x is equals to 3 by 5 and cos y equal to minus 12 by cos y is equals to minus 12 by 13, where x and y both lie in second quadrant, find the value of sin of x plus y. This is a repeated question, you see. Here sin of x plus y formula sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Here we have only sin x, we have to find cos x. Here only cos y we have to find sin y also. See, we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. We know that sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. From this sin square x is equals to 3 by 5 whole square plus cos square x is equals to 1. From this cos square x is equals to 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square, that is 9 by 25. LCM 25 minus 9, 16, which is equal to cos square x is equal to. Cos x is equal to plus or minus 4 by 5. Here x lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. So therefore cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Because here x is belongs to second quadrant. Next similarly sin square y plus cos square y also 1. So sin square y plus cos y is equal to minus 12 by 13. So minus 12 by 13 whole square equal to 1. So sin square y is equal to sin square y plus 12 square 144, 13 square 169 is equal to 1. So sin square y is equal to 1 minus 144 by 169. LCM 169 is LCM. 169 minus 144 is 25, which is equal to sin square y is equal to. From this sin y is equal to plus or minus 5 by 30. But y lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So sin y is equal to 5 by 30. Now easily we can find the sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y is equal to formula. This is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. This is equal to cos x sin x. Sin x value is 3 by 5. Into cos y. Cos y is equal to minus 12 by 30 plus cos x. Cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Sin y. Sin y is equal to 5 by 30. Now this is minus 36 by 65 minus 20 by 65. 65 is LCM minus 36 minus 20. Therefore sin of x plus y is equal to minus 56 by 65 is the answer. And this is the example 25. Alright. Next question number 26. Example 26, prove that cos 2x cos x by 2 minus sin 3x cos x minus cos 3x cos 9x by 2 equal to sin 5x sin 5x by 2. Solution, you see, I am taking LHS. We have two cos A cos B formula given, but we have here only cos 2x cos x by 2. So that I am multiplying dividing with 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 cos 2x into cos x by 2. Next minus 2 cos, first I am writing 9x by 2 I am writing first. 9x by 2 cos 3x I am writing. Now those are in the form of 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula to cos A cos B? Cos A plus B cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. You apply now this formula for the both terms. So what we are getting 1 by 2 into cos A plus B, that is cos 2x plus x by 2 plus cos A minus B 2x minus x by 2. This is finished for this term. Next minus for these two terms. Cos A plus B, that is cos 9x by 2 plus 3x. Next plus cos 9x by 2 minus 3x. This is equals to 1 by 2 into cos 2x plus x by 2, 2xm, 2 into 2, 4x plus x, that is 5x by 2. Plus cos 2 2s are 4x, 4x minus x, 3x by 2. To multiply with minus also, minus cos 9x plus 2xm, 3 2s are 6, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15x by 2. Plus into minus minus cos, here 2 is LCM, 9x minus 6x, that is 3x, 3x by 2. Now cos 3x by 2, cos 3x by 2 it cancels. This is equals to 1 by 2 into cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2. Now it is in the form of cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y is equals to formula cos x minus cos y equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2, right? So use now this formula. This is equals to 1 by 2 into minus 2 sin x. X is equals to 5x by 2 here. 5x by 2 plus y. Y is equals to 15x by 2, 4 by 2 into sin 5x by 2 minus 15x by 2 by 2. Now 2 is getting cancelled. This is minus of sin. You see 5x by 2 plus 15x by 2. You see only numerator. Total 20x by 2. 20x by 2. 20x by 2 is equals to 20x by 2 is equals to 10x. So 10x by 2. I simplified only numerator. Denominator twice it is. Now here sin 5x by 2 minus 15x by 2. Total minus 10x by 2. Minus 10x by 2 is equals to minus 5x. So minus 5x. Denominator twice it is. Here 2 ones are 2 5 times. This is equal. So sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So this minus into minus plus. So this is sin 5x sin 5x by 2. This is our right? This is the RHS. This is example 26. Next example 27. Find the value of tan pi by 8 is the question. Find the value of tan pi by 8. Solution is say tan pi by 8. Pi by 8 means pi by 4 is equals to 45 degrees. Pi by 8 is equals to 22 and half. This is our question. The value we are finding. So what I am finding, how I am finding is we know that tan 2a is equals to what? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, right? Now substitute a is equals to pi by 8. Then what are getting? Tan 2 into pi by 8 is equals to 2 tan pi by 8 by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are. That means 2 pi tan of pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value 1, so 1 is equals to 2 tan pi by 8 by 1 minus tan square pi by 8. Now let tan pi by 8 is equals to y. For our convenience only we are assuming y. So in place of tan pi by 8 simply we are writing single letter y. So you substitute now what is equals to 1 equal to 2y by 1 minus y square. Due to cross multiplication 1 minus y square is equals to 2y. That is y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0 minus 1. These terms are taken into right side. Minus y square taken to right side plus y square plus 2y is 1 taken to right side minus 1. So you write in the factors possible minus y square root plus 2y that's pretty not possible. So y is equals to we have the formula minus b plus r minus b square minus 2ac under root by 2a. So by solving the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then x is equals to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We know this one, roots of the quadratic equation. Here a is equals to y square quotient 1, b is 2, c is minus 1. To substitute now minus 2 plus or minus b square 2 square 4 minus 4 into a equals to 1, next to c equals to minus 1 by 2a 2 into 1. This is equals to minus 2 plus or minus under root of 4 plus 4 because minus and minus plus by 2. That is y is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 8. Root 8 is equal to 2 root 2 no? By 2. Now 2 is common, minus 1 plus or minus root by 2. 2 get cancelled. This is equal to, here you see if I take minus, if I take here minus, which is equal, this is y. What is the y of tan? Tan pi by 8. Tan pi by 8 equals to, here if I take a minus 1 minus root 2 total negative. But pi by 8 is equal to what? 22 and half. 22 and half lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant tan is positive. So that we make only positive. Okay, because pi by 8 is in first quadrant angle. Therefore, tan pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1 is the tan pi by 8. And this is our answer. Right? This is the 27 example. Next to 28 example. Next to 28. If tan x equals to 3 by 4, comma pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2, find the value of sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. We have similar method. We have one example also. Later you solve by solving this one. You try those examples. When I give that homework to only single digit of people, less than of 10 people only solving those answers. I am telling again and again, by watching videos you are not getting, just by watching the videos you will get some like guidance only. Just you have to practice more and more questions. By practicing only you will get that answer. By watching these YouTube or any social websites, you are not getting a subject. You have to practice daily. You have to practice minimum 20 to 30 problems. Half an hour you watch. If you watch the half an hour video means you have to practice minimum 1.5 hours. Then only you will get that answer. Okay. So you have to practice all the problems. What I give a homework question, what we solved in that video, you practice minimum 2-3 times. Then only you will get answers. When you are facing the problem, exam, at that time you thought this one you knows, but you can't, you are unable to answer that question. So you have to practice more and more times. You see how we are solving. Tan x is equal to 3 by 4. Pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2 means 180 to 270 means x lies in which quadrant? It lies in which quadrant? This is third quadrant. So tan x is equal to third quadrant, tan positive, so tan x is equal to 3 by 2. we know that we have one relation. We know that what is the relation between tan and secant? 1 plus tan square x is equals to secant square x. So secant square x is equals to what I am writing? 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x is equal to this one. So 1 plus tan x is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 whole square. 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square, 9 by 16. 16 is LCM. 1 into 16, 16 plus 9, 25. So secant square x is equal to 25 by 16. Secant x is equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. But here x in third quadrant. In third quadrant secant is negative, so minus 5 by 4. From this, secant x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Cos x value we got here. Okay, and we know that trigonometry completely depends on the formulas. Without knowing formulas, we can't do anything. So from submultiplying, cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Once you see the table we given is 1. By given is 1. So cos x is minus 4 by 5 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. And now 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus or minus plus 4 by 5. So this is equal to 5 is LCM, 1 into 5, 5 plus 4, 9, which is equal to 2 sin square x by 2 is equal to 9 by 5. Then sin x by 2 is equal to sin square x by 2 is equal to 9 by 10. Sin x by 2 is equal to plus or minus root 9 by 10. But here x by 2 lies in which quadrant? See, you just take that to divide it to pi by 2 less than x less than 3 pi by 4 means this x by 2. I am dividing this equation with 2 pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than 3 pi by 2 by 2 3 pi by 4. That means x by 2 lies in which quadrant? You see now 90 to 3 into 45, 135. 90 to 135 is second quadrant. So second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign positive or negative? So it is positive. So sin x is equal to 3 by root 10. This is the sin x by 2 value. Next, similarly, cos x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. That is 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. 1 plus x cos x is minus 4 by 5, so minus 4 by 5 equal to 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2 is equal to 5 LCM. 5 minus 4, 1. So 1 by 5. Cos square x by 2 equal to 1 by 10. Cos x by 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 10. But here x by 2 lies in which quadrant? X by 2 in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So minus 1 by root 10 is the cos x by 2 value. Next, tan x by 2. Very simple. How sign by cos? Tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is equal to sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 value is 3 by root 10. Cos x by 2 value is minus 1 by root 10. Root 10 which is 3 by minus 1 is equal to minus 2. This is the tan x by 2 value. We find cos x by 2, tan x by 2, sin x by 2. This is the method to find functions, right? Clear now? Based on that, we have example exercise question I will give now. Miscellaneous exercise, we have question 8, 9, 10 now. For these, what we are finding is the find x by 2, find sin x by 2, comma cos x by 2, and tan x by 2. Tan x by 2. This is your homework. You will do this one. Of the following, first to 8 one, no? Tan x is equals to minus 4 by 3 x in second quadrant cube. 9th one, cos x is equals to minus 1 by 3 x in third quadrant. 10th one, sin x is equals to 1 by 4 x in second quadrant. These we have to solve. Simple problems, similar process you follow. This one we follow. Tan x is equals to minus 4 by 3 x is the second quadrant. X is second quadrant means what is the angle second quadrant? 180 pi less than x less than pi by 2. Third quadrant means pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2. Second quadrant means again pi less than x less than pi by 2. If you write pi by 2 here, pi by 2 less than x less than x by 2 less than pi by 4 means it is first quadrant angle. If you do divide into 2, pi by 2 less than 3 pi by 4 means this is lies in second quadrant. This is also same. If you divide it same, this is also first quadrant. Similar this one. This one. So by taking this hint, you try to solve this one. And answers of this 8, 9, 10 is there in your textbook. You try this one and you send your answers. Right? Next, last example question, that is 29, important example. Prove that 29 prove that cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 3. This is the question. Proof. You take LHS, that is cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 plus cos square x minus pi by 3. Right? Now, just cos square x is equals to, we have formula 1 plus 2 cos 2x by 2. How you see? Otherwise, you do one thing. So you write cos 2x formula. Cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. From this, cos square a you write as a subject. What you are getting? Minus 1 taken left side. So 1 plus cos 2a. 2 is taken right side by 2. So 1 plus cos 2a by 2 is the formula. How we got this one? From the cos 2a. Now you substitute now 1 plus cos 2a. Here a is equal to x. So 2x by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2 into x plus pi by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2 into x minus pi by 2 by 2. Now 2 is LCM. 1 plus 1 plus 1, I am writing first, that is 3. Cos 2x plus cos 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into pi by 2, 2 pi by 2 plus cos 2x minus 2 pi by 3. You see, for these two terms, those are in the form of cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. That is equal to formula 2 cos x cos y is the formula, right? You apply now. In place of x 2x, in place of y 2 pi by 3. So this is equal to 3 plus cos x plus cos 2 cos x. X means here 2x. Y 2 pi by 2 by 2. This is equal to 3 plus cos x plus 2 cos x cos 2x 2 cos 2x. Here this is 2x only, no, here this is 2x only, 2x, right? Cos 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 is equal to what I'm writing, cos pi minus pi by 3 by 2 pi by 3 means 120 degrees. 120 degrees is equals to 180 minus 60. I written this one. Cos 180 minus 60 minus cos 60. So 3 plus cos 2x. Cos 2x. Here plus and minus 2 cos 2x. Next row cos pi by. Understood? Y minus cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. Plus into minus. So this is equal to 3 plus cos 2x minus 2 into cos 2x. Cos pi by 3 cos 60 value 1 by 2 to 3x by 3 plus cos 2x minus cos 2x by cos 2x difference. This is equal to 3 by 2. This is our RHS. This is our LHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Important question. We practice by this one, right? These are our examples.